Hi, boys. You've been doing such a great job with your sight words. I see a. So today you are going to listen to a story titled I See a Cat. When I'm done with the story, I want you to go back and I want you to try to read it, okay? I'll assign it an epic. I see a cat. I see a cat. I see a bird. I see a fly. I see a squirrel. I see mice. I see a bee. I see a squirrel. I see a boy. I see a squirrel. The end. So I attached the link and now it's your turn to read aloud. Bye.